guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been long I made a video. So today I'm going to review this palette out here, which is from Makeup Revolution, the Patricia Bright palette. And the packaging of this palette is really nice. It has golden and black, one of my favorite combination. It comes with a variety of shade range. Sorry for the mess because one of the shade out here is broken, so yeah, it's a mess right now. So, and the numbers of shades are a lot. I think there are around 24. I'm not sure. Wait a minute. 28 shades. So there are 28 shades in this palette, and yes, they have neon shades and many other bright shades. Almost all the shades you need if you want to go out and make something crazy like this. And yes, so if you're going for this palette, this is not gonna be the basic neutral palette which you want to do everyday looks with, because they have hardly 2 to 3 shades which you can wear, like the browns. That's about it. Or else it's gonna be like, you know, the funky looks or something which you don't want to wear on the normal basis. So let's talk about the payoff of the colors. They are really nice for the price you're paying. So this retails for 2,890 or something. I'm gonna just put the exact price here. That is the MRP. And for me, this palette was you know, I can give it 7 stars out of 10. I am in favor of this palette. I won't say that don't buy this, it's pathetic or something like that. It's nice. Few colors are chalky, but we can give it to this because the few colors are hard to make. So yes, and you're getting 28 shades, so it's not like you're getting 5 and, or you know, you're getting 9 or 10 shades and still the shades are chalky at this price. So you can give this to it. So let's get into the video and you can see how these shades work. And first I'm concealing my eyelids with my Elical Pro Conceal. So this will create a smooth base for my eyeshadows, as they are very colorful, so we need a good base for them to look more pigmented and bright. So I'm taking this baby pink shade. I'm gonna go into my crease. This is gonna be my transition shade for this look. So I'm taking this neon bright pink and I'm gonna go over this transition shade. I'm going halfway, I'm not going till the end of my eyes, if you can see, as I'm gonna place another color there. I'm taking orange now and I'm gonna go in my inner corner. This color was little less pigmented, so I had to build it up again and again. Now I'm taking a deep blue color and I'm gonna make a small V on the outer corner of my eyes. This is highly pigmented color, but it's very chalky and hard to blend. I did take a lot of time for this color. Now I'm creating a cut crease. I'm gonna use a small brush to outline so it's more precise. I'm using my Fit Me concealer for this. I'm using this shade called Ocean Deep. It's a shimmer metallic blue color. It's a very beautiful color and it's highly pigmented. So my brush is not wet. I'm just using it as it is. I'm gonna place it all over where I did my cut crease. Now I'm blending both the shades together. This deep blue shade in my outer corner is really hard to blend. It took a lot of time. I couldn't show it in the video because then the video would be super long. But yes, it's very hard to blend. Other than that, all the colors worked really fine for me. I'm taking this yellow color for my inner corner. This color is less pigmented, so you have to build it up again and again. So I did my base off camera and I'm gonna take this bright pink shade and I'm gonna use it in my lower lash line. I'm taking that deep blue shade and I'm gonna just lightly line it very close to my waterline. Now I'm blending both the shades together, and again this deep blue shade is hard to blend, so it did take me some time here as well. I'm just wiping off the excess. Using this bronzer from L'Oreal, and this is a really nice bronzer. I really liked it. This was really trending all over the place, so I thought of ordering it. But if you are a shade darker than me, this won't work for you because it's very light and natural looking bronzer, plus they do not have any shade. You have to build this shade to get more deeper look because it's very natural and light shade. They should come up with more colors because this bronzer is really good. It's very smooth and it smells great. If you're my shade or lighter than me, you should actually go for this one. So guys, I hope you like this video and the review as well. So if you like this look and if you found this useful, do like my video, share and subscribe to my channel, and do follow me on Instagram. There are some special exclusive content over there, so you can just follow me there. And yes, until next time.